Hello friends, in today's video we'll learn how to easily do hair masking using Photoshop. So without further delay, let's get started. Select on the object selection tool. Then create a selection around the photo. From the top menu, select the select and marks option. Here you will find various tools to refine your selection. Use the refine edge brush tool to accurately select the areas that were left out. Next, click on the refine hair option. This will help to select the fine strands of hair more precisely. Choose output to selection and then select layer marks. Finally, click on the OK button. Go to adjustment layer and select solid color. Choose your preferred background color. I am selecting white here. Move the color fill layer below the layer marks. Go to the layer option and select duplicate layer and click OK button. Right click on the selected layer, click on convert to a smart object. Again, go to the solid color option and pick a color that suits the hair. Then click on the create clipping marks option. Double click on the color fill layer and select the appropriate hair tone. So that's it. Your hair masking is now complete. Your image will look more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.